On Wednesday morning, a group of government officials, local business leaders, and representatives from academia gathered at medical device company SiPhox on Terrace Hall Avenue in Burlington for a ceremony hosted by the Center for Advanced Manufacturing and the MassTech Collaborative, celebrating a roughly $681,000 grant to the company from the Massachusetts Manufacturing Innovation Initiative, otherwise known as M2I2. The grant was meant to help ramp up production of SiPhox's medical device that merges biochemistry and photonic chip technology to enable point-of-need and at-home health diagnostics. Similar devices used for decades can cost up to $500,000 and are used primarily by medical centers and hospitals, while SiPhox aims to sell its device for only $300. Co-founder Diedrich Vermeulen explains how it works.
It's a blood arm collection. And it's virtually painless, and then you insert it. You have a reader device at home, and then you insert it with a cartridge inside of the reader, and then after about 15 minutes you get a result about your blood biomarkers. So if you're relatively healthy, you can buy one of our SiPhox devices. You can then do a blood diagnostic at home without going to the doctor, without the venous draw, and you can get biomarker information, and the most important is the blood biomarkers, and you can start optimizing those by changing your diet, working out more, having more steps, sleeping better, and every month, for example, you can measure your blood biomarkers and create this very tight feedback loop to optimize your health.
The grant presented on Wednesday will help the company make wide-scale production of the device a reality.
Yeah, so with the grant we're building a pilot line to create the first batches of cartridges in order to make everything in-house and really get our manufacturing of cartridges to the next level and scale up production.
Those who presented the grant said the event was a great example of different organizations coming together for a common goal.
We do business in Massachusetts, collaboration of business, academia, and government working together to advance our technology ecosystems, to really push the science, grow our workforce. And so we do events like this to make these grant announcements, and this is a very important grant, but it does highlight who collaborates on this work and how we get it done. So it's a really nice event, a really important grant for us.
This announcement here in the photonic space, which aligns perfectly with the life sciences industry in Massachusetts, is really about that next generation technologies and how can we support the growth of these technologies that lead to next novel innovations, as well as a lot of job growth in the state.
Finally, after taking a tour, the visitors said they were impressed with what they saw.
Today was really interesting. It's, it can lead to something that is, we showed us a $100,000 machine down to now a $300 machine that can run the same amount of tests, bring this technology to our homes so that we're testing quickly on site and helping improve the overall health of our community.
It's really amazing to have this much innovation sort of across sector in life sciences and photonics under one roof, right? With all these incredibly capable people using technology we've helped to fund. It's just, this is how the magic happens. The state coming together and saying advanced manufacturing is important for us, to commit $100 million to our M2I2 program, to make this grant with innovative companies, and then have the type of collaboration I talked about before. It's awesome to get out and see it in person, see the investment at work, and see how the company's going to use this to grow and innovate.
At SiPhox in Burlington, I'm BNEWS Director Rich Hosford.